Here in our church, you are taught the truth. And what happens is, as light begins to unravel, darkness begins to run. See, the dominion of light over darkness is instant. It's not I am coming. No, light cannot appear and darkness will say, sorry, I'm coming. No. The dominion of light over darkness is instant. The moment light enters, darkness disappears. Have you not read? It said, for the light shines in darkness, and darkness comprehended it not. The light of scriptures does not struggle with any darkness in this life. Oppressions, obsessions, sicknesses, diseases, they will only stand for as long as you are in the dark. When light comes, they pick up and run. So if you want to enjoy restoration, go first of all for revelation. Find what is your right in scripture. Find what has been written concerning you in scriptures. And then what belongs to you in life will manifest in your life.